guys, welcome back. We have Titanic by Juice WRLD, and hopefully I have covered the whole album, so you can actually check out the playlist. All the videos are ready with tabs, and some are short, some are a little bit big, but like in it one day, like I just did the whole album, so it was some great pressure on me. Never mind. We have the keyboard for the song on the second fret, and I just want to say that if you won't mind, please subscribe to my channel because I want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. I've been really working hard in this channel in this like 2-3 months in this current, you can actually say, utilizing the time to the maximum level. So you can please subscribe, drop me one of these, and let's begin. So for this song we have the keyboard on the second fret, and we need 5 chord shapes to learn, and same thing going throughout the whole song. So let's have a glance at the chords, and then quickly we just gonna look at the rhythm. Our first chord is the A major, which is mute 0 2 2 2 0. Our next chord is a B minor, which is mute 2 4 4 3 2. Problem in playing the bar chord? Okay, you can play like this, which is 2 3 4 4. Then we have a G major, which is 3 2 0 0 3 3. You can even play 3 2 0 0 0 3. It's the same thing. We got the D over, we got the B over here, we got the B over here, we got the D over here, we got the D over here. Some music theory based on over here. We have E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0. Very nice chord. And then you have F sharp minor, another bar chord, which is actually 2 4 4 2 2 2. Bar chord 2 4 4. Now you can just play the E A D string for this chord, cause it's like more like a passing chord over here. So you can just play like this. Now have a look at the chord progression. It'll start with a B minor, then an A major, then a G major, then I told you this is a passing chord, so we have 1 2 3 4. So we have E minor, F sharp minor in one bar. So just take that like you're doing one down on each chord, and you're resting for 1 2 3 4. And when you move on to the E minor chord, doing 1 2, and then F sharp minor, you move on to 3. So we have B minor 2 3 4, A major 2 3 4, go G 2 3 4, E minor 2 3 4, and it goes like that. It's that easy. You just go with one down on each chord. And now in case you just want a more funky string pattern, here it is. It's a lot easy, and on the other hand it sounds great, which is 1 2 1 2 3 4. So the string pattern will be a down 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 down. So what we are doing is on the 1 and the 2, we're just like strumming, doing down. I'm mainly focusing on strumming the A string and the D string, like the bass note, what you call that, bass note octaves and all. But when you go to the third down, you strum the full chord. So we have that accent over there. So we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, and on the 4 again back to one small down. And what I do is when I move on to the next chord, like some of you guys may struggle shifting from the B minor to a A, then A to a G. What you can do is, this is a nice technique. You can just do a down up when you're changing, like 1 2 3 4, down up, and like on the up you get used to that chord, and again you play that. So these are some basic things which you can just apply, and like people will think you can actually play the chord shapes more better. Like you just always strumming, or otherwise if you have having problem in just shifting the chord position, and all, see what will happen. Oh man. I can't do that. I'm sorry, but still this will be down 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 down. And on the E minor and the F sharp minor, you see the asterisk, it means that we have down 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 down. Again we try to strum that E, A, and only the D string. We do 2 down, and F sharp minor down down. So down 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 down. So from the beginning it will sound something like this. So 1 2 3 4, down up 2 3 down up. So when you're changing the chord, you got the down up. So it makes it like you're always strumming. You never stop. Like if you stop suddenly, people will think that you're not able to play the chord shapes. That's the reason I just told you to play the down up. So you're always in dynamic. That's it for this lesson. This is not like that type of guitar song you can actually play on the guitar. There's a lot of piano stuff you can see. So that's it for this lesson. Make sure to check out the song by Juice WRLD, Legend Never Dies. The album was fantastic, so you can actually check out. I made many of the songs, and many of them actually had some nice. They're very nice parts. Some of the riff stuff, finger picking is very nice. So that's it for this lesson. Subscribe to some subscriber. I need to reach as fast as possible, and I will make more better content for you guys. And see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.